Hello, how to solve this Olympiad exponential problem? X minus 4 power 4 equals x power 4. We are solving for all the values of x that will satisfy this equation. Now, this exponent, we can express it as multiples of 2, like 2 times 2. We have x minus 4 raised to the power of 2 times 2. So this equals x power, instead of writing 4 again, we also have 2 times 2. Now, if you have a power n times n, this equals a power m raised to the power of n. We apply this right here and here. So what we are going to have is x minus 4 raised to the power of 2. And this is raised to the power of 2. This equals x power 2 raised to the power of 2. So right now, we have this. I can decide to move this over here. So we have x minus 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. This becomes minus x power 2 raised to the power of 2. This equals 0. So if you have a power 2 minus b power 2, this equals a minus b times a plus b. And a equals x minus 4 power 2, while b equals x power 2. So we apply that here and here. That means we are simply going to have a minus b. That means our a is this, of x minus 4 power 2, that is a, minus b is x power 2, times a plus b, that's x minus 4 power 2 plus x power 2, and this equals 0. Right now, we can equate each of these to 0. We have the first one, x minus 4 power 2 minus x power 2 equals 0. We have the second one, x minus 4 power 2 plus x power 2 equals 0. So, let's start with this one here. We have x minus 4 power 2 minus x power 2 equals 0. So to solve this, we are going to consider this identity. Remember, there's power 2 here, there's power 2 here, there's minus here. I can make use of difference of two squares again. This equals a minus b times a plus b. My a is x minus 4 and b is x. From here, I will substitute them right here. I will have a minus b. A is x minus 4 minus b, that is minus x, times a plus b. This is x minus 4 plus x, and this equals 0. So from here, this cancel this. I have minus 4 times x plus x, that is 2x plus minus 4. This is 2x minus 4 equals 0. And multiply this out. Minus 4 times 2x, that is minus 8x. Minus 4 times minus 4 plus 16 equals 0. And move this over here. I will have minus 8x equals minus 16. minus cancel minus. I have 8x equals 16. And divide by coefficient of x, that is 8. And divide by 8. So from here, this cancel this. I have x equals 16 divided by 8. That is 2. So that is one value of x. Now let's consider this other equation. We have this. So we are going to expand this first. X minus 4 power 2. This will give us, if you have a minus b power 2, this is a squared minus 2ab plus b power 2. Now our a is x, b is negative 4. We are going to have x power 2 minus 2 times x times negative 4 plus negative 4 power 2. So from here I have x squared. This is plus 8x. Then this is plus 16. So that is for this one here. That is for this one here. So what we are going to do is we have plus x squared and everything equals 0. We just added this after expanding this. We added it here. So everything equals 0. Observe something, b is 4, so b is not minus 4, b is 4 here. There is 4. So this is 4, this is minus 8x. Because b is 4. This is the identity that we use, so b is 4. So we have this, then we have plus x squared, this x squared here. And this equals 0. So at this point, we can have, this implies x squared minus 8x. X squared plus x squared, that is 2x squared, minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. We can divide by 2, which is the coefficient here. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So from here, what we are going to have is x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. So at this point, we can solve this using the formula method. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So the coefficient of x squared here is 1, that is our a. This negative 4 is our b, and a is our c. So we are going to insert them right here. We have x equals negative times negative 4 plus or minus square root of a squared, that is negative 4 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 8 divided by 2 times 1. From here, I have x equals 4 plus or minus square root of this is 16 minus 32 divided by 2. From here, I have x equals 4 plus or minus square root of negative 16 divided by 2. And from here, x equals 4 plus or minus. This is minus. I have square root of negative 1 times square root of 16 divided by 2. X equals 4 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I times square root of 16, that is 4 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals 2, cancel this 2, cancel this 2. We have 2 plus or minus I2. So you have two values for x. We have x2 equals 2 plus I times 2. We have x3 equals 2 minus I times 3. So these are the two complex values. And we also have one real solution, which is x equals 2. So the next step will be to check. We are going to check by inserting these values for x. We have x equals 2. So that means we are going to have, instead of writing x here, we have 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 4 equals to power 4. 2 minus 4, this is negative 2. Raised to the power of 4 equals to power 4. And negative raised to an even number will give you positive. So this is 2 power 4, which is 2 power 4. And 2 power 4 is 16, which equals 16. So this is how you can easily solve this exponential problem, step by step. So a quick recap is just that the first step, express this in terms of 2 times 2, this is the same thing. So you apply this identity and take these 2 outside, then apply difference of 2 squares by bringing this here. You have a minus b times a plus b. The rule of this is your a, while this is your b. Then you can form 2 different equations. Apply difference of 2 squares here again, and your a will be x minus 4, b is x. You insert it and have the first real solution, which is 2. For this other part of the equation, you need to expand this, x minus 4 power 2. After expanding, we had x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then there is plus x squared equals 0. So we added x squared to x squared, we have 2x squared. Then we divided by the common coefficient, which is 2. We reduce the equation to this. Then we applied the formula method of solving quadratic equation. And that gave us 2 complex values. So at the end, we have 3 different solutions. And the reason we are having 3 different solutions is because there is x power 4 here, and there is x power 4 here. So one of these will cancel out. If you expand this, you will definitely have x power 4, and this equals x power 4, which cancel out. So this equation starts with x power 3. That's why you're having 3 solutions. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.